The stock market, cryptocurrency, it's all going crazy right now. And I lost almost 80K because I didn't invest in Dogecoin. Oh my God. First things first, I want to apologize for not pumping out more Amazon FBA content, but there's so much more on the way. I'm out here still in rainy Seattle, Washington, but guys, I'm moving to Miami in T-minus 6 days, so I am extremely excited. I'm going to buckle down, and my whole goal out there is going to be more Amazon products and more content for you guys. Now, one thing I want to say is I've been postponing a lot of these videos because I've been studying so much on cryptocurrency, what's going on in the stock market with Wall Street bets versus the hedge funds. All this stuff is so much more opportunity than I ever imagined could be happening here. But let's cut right down to the brass tacks. I knew that Dogecoin was going to be an important investment because of all this hype being built up around it, with the tweets from Elon Musk, with all this other information coming out about these pump and dump type things. Now, I have a full-on stock account where it's going to be a long-term investment portfolio with stocks and in crypto as well. But I also have a new account that I'm building on Uphold.com, which is one of the only official solid places that I know right now where you can buy Dogecoin, where you can buy XRP, and some of these other tokens that are not able to be bought on any of these other platforms. With the whole debacle between Robinhood not allowing traders in their free market to buy whatever shares they want in terms of AMC and GameStop, and even Dogecoin, I had to find a new place to buy these certain assets, because if you're seeing a massive pump and you get in at the beginning, you can make a ton of money, and that's what happened to me, guys. I knew weeks ago I need to find a platform. I had it on my calendar to find a new trading platform where I can buy Dogecoin, and I wasn't able to find one in time. Robinhood was not getting my account set up in time, and if you live in some certain states like Washington or Florida or Idaho, a lot of these states can't even use Binance USA. They can't use Kraken or any of these other platforms. So for anyone looking, this is not an affiliate link. I have Uphold linked right down below if you guys are interested in looking into buying Dogecoin. Now, don't get it anytime until it's really, really low, because you don't want to be buying in at these peak stages. You want to be buying at the lowest possible point. I think we have an Amazon truck pulling up again today. Yeah, we probably have some more packages coming. So I'm actually going to hit the garage right now because I'm labeling up some more products that it just got approved for me to sell on Amazon.com. And that was a restriction I was facing for a while with a product I didn't even think I could sell, but now I'm going to go get it back in there. I'm all about building that freedom, and Amazon FBA coupled with the stock market for long-term investing, as well as cryptocurrency for long-term and short-term crazy pump and dump gains, is what I'm looking out for. Now, just a week ago, Dogecoin was under 1 penny, and that's when I was going to put in either $5,000 or $10,000. With that under a penny, it then shot up in one day, almost 1,000%. It went up to like over 8 cents, guys. This is where I could have had the 10K in and literally made $80,000 in one day. I got a lot of messages from people showing me their gains that they made in that day. Now this, guys, this is kind of the get rich quick scheme type thing, but it's high risk, high reward. You have to know what you're doing going into these things, and that's why I've been just bunkering down at home here, studying up on every possible thing I can. I'm going to be here bringing more videos to you guys, and I hope you like that new YouTube intro, but we have so much more on the way, so please stay subscribed, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon. Miami in a couple of days, and I got crazy vids on the way, guys. We'll see you there. Peace.